Yo, what is up everyone? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. I got these brand new, I didn't even introduce myself. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about these brand new brush pens I just picked up. I know it's been a while since I have picked up some brush pens. At least to me it's been a while. And I cannot wait to show them to you. And let's go ahead and get to it. Here we have the big brush pens. They are big intensity dual tip markers. I recently came across these at Ross when I was just going around browsing, seeing what I could find. And the packaging, as you could see, it is pretty straightforward, nice, simple, straight to the point. It's very appealing, as you can see. And you know, with that said, let's go ahead, open it up and take a closer look at these big intensity brush pens. Well, dual tip. And also, before we continue this video, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what your thoughts are about the video in the comments below. All right, and here they are. These pens, they look really good. Love the overall design, like the matte finish. And they're rolling away. They do also feel pretty sturdy, light, and it's pretty much something that you would expect from Bic because of their history as a pen company. So first, let's do some initial swatches to see how they look on paper. The colors, as you can see, are vibrant. Also, with these brush pens, the ink flows very smooth. Brush tips are flexible, and as you all know me, I do calligraphy, and these brush pens would even work good for doing illustrations. And I mean, it's just the overall build quality. These were a good pickup, and I'm glad that I spent the money to get them. And it's always fun to try out different brands of brush pens. Also, another good thing about these is that they are dual tips. So you got a fine side, and then you got the brush side. And now, let's test these pens with some basic strokes and calligraphy techniques. As you can see, they handle thick and thin lines very well, also with the different pressure points and the different entries for strokes. Very overall solid pen. I definitely, once again, think these are worth picking up. To really put these pens to the test, I'm going to create a quick calligraphy piece. Just going to use the color black, so it's going to be easy to see. And one thing I would have to say about using these is that you feel comfortable holding it in your hand. And one thing I just noticed, let me see if I could zoom in, that I may or may not pick up on camera, is that they have these little ridges around the edge of where you see my finger, my index finger here is. It's really as if it's an extra grip. I'm not sure if that was intentional, Let me go ahead and zoom out for you. But yeah, I'm kind of digging these. There's some pens I will for sure be using a lot more. And just love the flex of the nib too. Yeah, I started off one style and ended it differently, but that's the fun process, the fun part of calligraphy. So I would say overall, my impressions of the Bic Intensity dual tip markers is that the colors are bold, pens feel great in hand, they are flexible. Overall, it was a great blind buy. I never even knew that Bic did brush pens. And I mean, obviously Bic knows what they're doing, especially with how long they have been in business and just the overall history of the company. And the only downsides I would say to the pens, well, about the pens, is just that maybe it's like, I don't have any complaints about it. Only thing I didn't like was getting the ink on my fingers. And I feel that I don't mind getting ink on my fingers if I'm using a pen that requires ink and not ink from a brush pen. I mean like liquid ink. Or that could just been my carelessness with taking off the top and putting it on and the marker rubbed on my finger, but that's neither here nor there. Brush pens, worth buying. If you see them, pick them up, give them a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the review and the demonstration of the Bic Intensity brush pens. These pens, definitely worth picking up, a nice buy. And as always, do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.